Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. There are nevertheless a truthful quantity of unknown regarding Dragons, the Nine Realms. For starters, maximum of the show's voice performing solid has but to be officially announced, and however DreamWorks has long passed out its manner to give an explanation for the simple plot of the premise. That serves as the foundation, and surprisingly it smiles a primary departure from the historical Viking placing of the films. With that in mind, right here is what we understand about the upcoming How to Train Your Dragon. It is by Products TV collection Dragons, the Nine Realms. According to the collection authentic web page at the DreamWorks website, Dragons, the Nine Realms is prepared to launch on December 23rd of 2021 on Hulu and Peacock. Like the bulk of DreamWorks' modern franchises, the collection will simplest be had through streaming offerings and could now no longer air on TV, which is in comparison to the DreamWorks indicates of yesteryear, such as Kung Fu Panda: Legends of Awesomeness, which premiered on Nickelodeon in 2011. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates. The original How to Train Your Dragon movie collection is about at the peak of the Viking Age and depicts a global wherein people and dragons stay in both consistent war or servitude. Only the protagonist Hiccup manages to set up an optimistic courting with the dragon, Toothless, in his place of birth of Berk. In the third movie, How to Train Your Dragon Hidden World, the dragons in the end excommunicate themselves from humankind and relocate to the eponymous Hidden Global. According to DreamWorks' authentic plot synopsis, Dragons, the Nine Realms alternatives are 300 years after How to Train Your Dragon films. In this contemporary time, people have merely forgotten their records with dragons. However, a step forward geological discovery ends in humanity's rediscovery of the beasts. At a few points, a set of youngsters come across dragons themselves, but with the intention to seize them, they need to maintain with a carefully guarded secret. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonetflix.com. And if you like our videos, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.